Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel today. Today I'm participating in the Traci Reed Designs Creative Team YouTube Hop. We're having a play with the brand new Oh What Fun Christmas collection for this year. And so let me show you some of the things that I've printed out here. I have 3 photos. They are of me, myself, and I from 2016. They're just candid, random photos I came across the other day. This is the top portion of one of the journal cards in the collection, and then this is one of the 3x8 Traveler's Notebook cards, and then a snippet of one of the pattern papers, and then this is my favorite pattern paper in the collection, this beautiful red on blue floral. Of course, I have my title chosen here, Mary Mary, and then I'm also planning to use the 2016 numbers. These are textured alphabets designed to look like Santa's hat or boot. So that's a lot of fun to incorporate into my layout. And then, of course, a tag, some word strips, and those adorable little penguin and Santa icons. So let me go ahead and jump right in here. My concept for this layout is pretty simple. I'm going to do the white strip of pattern paper on the far right and then build everything out from there. And so these 3 strips are going to kind of serve as a base or a frame for the photos and the embellishments. And notice how all 3 of them kind of descend in size. And I don't know, that was just how I decided to place them. I did plan this layout in Photoshop before printing it so that I would know exactly what I needed to print and didn't have any waste of ink or papers. So the photos now, I'm going to adhere those just in a kind of wacky line here. So let me tell you a little bit about these photos. I was going through the 2016 Christmas photos for something else, for one of the kids' layouts, and I came across these photos, and they're kind of candid, like I said, and for a long time, until I saw them the other day, I didn't like them. I'm not sure why. I think I was just being hard on myself. And when I came back to these photos, it occurred to me like, well, actually, they're really kind of cute photos. And of course, you know, they're 8 years. These were taken 8 years ago now. And I realized that I was a lot kinder on myself now than I was back then. And so this layout is kind of a celebration of that. It's also just a fun way to document some Christmas layouts for myself. It's something I don't think I've ever done. I'm usually pretty wrapped up in December Daily around this time of year. So the supporting pieces in this layout are going to be the cute little Christmas tree and the penguin and the Santa. And the Christmas tree is just going to be tucked under the photo. The penguin and the Santa are popped up with pop dots. And then the little Mary Mary words, I'm just going to pop those up as well with the pop dots. And then I'm just going to fill out the rest. You notice how I've sort of placed that round journaling spot beside the top photo on the right hand side. And that's going to give me a spot to do the journaling that I need to do. And I can also add a few embellishments around there. There were some little word strips I had and the little fa la la tag. They go really sweet. They're supporting the title and the journal spot. And then, of course, these fantastic stars. I always love to have stars on my Christmas pages, and pretty much on any scrapbook page. They're gonna find a way on that page. And really, notice how I'm just keeping it very simple on the layout and not really overthinking anything, just going with what I've printed out and placing them, tucking them under and over, just in a fun little way. And I feel like this is a really easy composition, and I welcome you. I invite you to try this on your own, and of course go back and look at some older Christmas photos of yourself and see if you can find something that you can look back and say, oh, I feel a little kinder towards myself now that actually these photos are really cool. And celebrate that. Celebrate those seasons. It's hard to believe that 2016 was 8 years ago. So speaking of the date, I went ahead and placed the 2016 at the top of the photo just to make a highlight of the fact that this was 2016, and then I'm going to do a bit of journaling here, just to talk about how it was some really happy and special moments during that Christmas event. And I'm really happy that I had those memories. Thank you so much for joining us on the Traci Reed Designs YouTube hop today. I hope you will check out the other participants. I will have their names down below. I will have product links down below, and I hope you enjoy your hop. As always, I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.